Presco Engineering is partnering with Cleantech companies to design the next generation of clean technology products. Why? Because our world and climate are changing, and so must we. We are creating solutions that will make our world more accessible, reliable, and sustainable. Like all pioneers, clean tech companies face technological uncertainty and unanswered engineering questions. With over 40 years of design and manufacturing experience, Presco provides cutting-edge expertise to solve these technological and engineering challenges. Whether you are a clean tech startup or an established business looking to enter the clean tech market, Presco is your trusted product development and manufacturing partner. We will solve your technical challenges so you can launch your product and start positively impacting our world faster. With expertise in electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, software engineering, and advanced manufacturing, Presco can help clean tech companies innovate in an array of industries, including solar power, wind power, battery management systems, inverters, both grid-tied and off-grid, electric vehicles, EV charging, microgrids, battery storage, and environmental monitoring. Presco Engineering can take your solution from concept to manufactured product. Our dedicated team of engineers will take on any challenges your climate solution may face, and our state-of-the-art facility allows us to simulate real-world conditions to future-proof your product no matter what the future holds. Groundbreaking ideas often come with investor and consumer anxiety. Our UL Equipment Lab includes grid, wind turbine, and solar cell simulators, putting your product to the test. Our team brings your idea to life, reducing risk and ensuring confidence in your innovative technology. Presco's Thermal Testing Lab allows our team to make sure your climate solution can handle extreme weather conditions while maintaining the performance your product requires. After working with our highly skilled engineering team, your idea can come to life quickly in our manufacturing facility. Our rapid prototyping capabilities allow us to build your MVP to show investors or board members in a time crunch. We are an ISO 9001-2015 certified manufacturing facility, and we manage the entire life cycle of your product from rapid prototyping to full-scale production. You have the vision to make our world more sustainable. Choose Presco as your product development and manufacturing partner, and we will help you bring your vision to life. Contact us today.